उसके लिए आगे आएंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले वो हम चर्चा बाद में देखेंगे। लेकिन नवीन,
धन्यवाद।
जी हाँ, फायर इन द बेली की बात हो रही थी, और फायर इन द बेली होगी कि नहीं, लेकिन ये जो कमाल की येलो ड्रेस है उससे लग रहा है कि कुछ तो फायर है। नमस्कार नवीन।
Yes, Navneet, thank you again. Yeah, was just given up as an empty raid. Mohit Surinder, I'll tell you what, he's done really well for the Chandigarh Chargers. Yeah, along with Sawan Khatri, of course. Mohit Surinder, every time he's gone in, and he's done a fairly appreciable job as well.
Raider save, 1 point, Chandigarh Chargers, number 3 out.
That I said the Raiders' problem will increase because Sunny Sherawat, he's come on the mat from the bench. Strong right corner defender. Ankit Dole and Ravi Tehlan, 2 points here for Harish Kamachi as Palni Tuskers open their account. Nice escape. First kicks away.
And number 9 out.
Do or die.
Savan Khatri now on a do or die raid. Right out of the bench, he's come on in. He's gone into a do or die raid where there is a bonus point. Shaktivel Thangavelu, brilliant follow through dash, and the defender at his best. Lovely. Nothing happens. Rather, Ranjit Madan Mogan is giving us a feel that nothing will happen here. They're trying to take it slow. So, Mohit Surinder, Navneet, the entire story there was he stayed very on that running kick. He says sorry as well to Sandeep Saini. Brilliant running kick. Accelerates the pace in no time is Ranjit Madan Mogan. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Navneet, coordination error again. Abhi Kumar. I think Shaktivel Thangavelu is now doing multiple things because he's trying to raid, he's trying to go out there, have a tackle point, super tackle situation. Mohit Surinder, that ankle hold is strong, he's struggling. Can this be the Ease My Trip super tackle? S.K. Raja Muthupandi is on his legs, and so is Shaktivel Thangavelu. Well, he's pulling him back. Brilliant Ease My Trip super tackle. Fabulous work. And that's the strength of Shaktivel Thangavelu. The mat for a while.
यही इज माई ट्रिप सुपर टैकल। और एक वक्त मुझे ऐसा लगा कि कहीं एंड लाइन से पार ना हो जाए, जिस तरीके से यहाँ मध्य रेखा से एंड लाइन की तरफ खिलाड़ी जा रहे थे।
Red.
And definitely India one star moment of the match as well. That struggle was brilliant. Just made sure that just be cool and calm as well. Like the two tackles coming in from that right end and the left end. Like if you want to see that back to back, I mean, it'll be really nice. The secret behind is hiding behind ankle hold. That was nice from S.K. Raja Muthupandi. Can this be another one? They're struggling in. Oh, S.K. Raja has just lost a grip, but then he manages himself. And I think they're pushing him off. Yes, they have. Yeah, Ease My Trip super tackle. Wonderful, wonderful. Second one for the Tuskers. Yeah, for a while we just thought S.K. Raja lost a bit of a grip, and Mohit Surinder did not realize that one.
जी हाँ, 2 बार यहाँ पे आपदा को, यहाँ पे मुश्किलात को अवसर में बदल दिया। जब 3 से या 3 से कम खिलाड़ी रहते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि आपकी जो टीम है इंडिया वन ATM स्टार मोमेंट, ऐसा लगता है कि शायद ऑल आउट भी हो सकती है, लेकिन यही मौका होता है सुपर टैकल करने का। और नवीन,
not having that concentration like Savan Khatri or Mohit Surinder, he's everywhere, and yeah, the tackle is not successful. Savan Khatri flies and touches S.K. Raja Muthupandi on the right corner.
1 point, Chandigarh Chargers, number 6 out.
Wonderful bonus on that occasion by Kesavan Raja in a do-or-die raid. Flabbergasted is something where the surprise is multiple folds, and flummoxed is something where the confusion is multiple folds, and now there is no confusion. Now, yeah, that's 3+2.
Chandigarh
Mohit
Chargers.
Surinder has brought the
Out of
Chargers
Palani Tuskers.
right back in. For the first time, the Tuskers are fumbling on a super tackle situation. Let's go in and actually check what went wrong. What went wrong, Navneet? Gautam Murugan attempts first. I think it is all for the skill of Mohit Surinder. India won star moment of the match. Because he fell down and he had that.
और यहाँ पर सिग्नेचर होगा कि चलो फर्स्ट हाफ को समाप्त करते हैं.
Half time, Chandakot.
Yeah, Navneet, I think that one massive all out has changed a path filled with taunts. This is that time where Mohit Surinder now will try to control the proceedings. That one amazing raid. A definite game-changing moment. That one, India one star moment as well. And another 2 points. Gautam Murugan again trying to go to the support of Shekhar Sankar. And why is Shaktivel Sankarvelu not there on that left corner?
Ranjit. Oh. ये जो अंदर बाहर खिलाड़ी आते हैं बिल्कुल समुंदर के लहरें जैसे लगते हैं. इन आउट. ओ ओ ओ ओ ये
My
क्या
God.
हुआ?
1 point. Palani
Awesome.
Tuskers. Number
And
20
also
out.
completely flummoxing Saman Khatri. Yeah, there we go. Navneet, this definitely is the India one star moment of the match for the
Great.
Tuskers, I should say. Great comedian who has actually said, you cry in a rain, you don't know that you're crying. Who's that, Navneet?
Mr. Charlie Chaplin.
Oh, yeah.
खतरे खतरों के खिलाड़ी.
Chandigarh Chargers.
Amazing,
19,
amazing.
6 and
You
7
took the
out.
name of Charlie Chaplin, but this was a champion raid from Saman Khatri. See, the problem is the defense of the Tuskers need to understand that attacking Saman Khatri or Mohit Surinder doesn't work out. See here, he's not even looking to take a point.
Red.
He was just that customary run towards the right corner, and Esaki Raja chain getting broken away. Mohit Surinder wants another clean all out to be taken in, but Abhi Kumar's ankle hold phenomenal, and also
Raider.
Surya Saravanan
Raider.
been pushing away.
Raider. Raider.
It's definitely a super tackle. Hang on, guys, that's fine.
Raider.
Let the umpires take a decision. Abhi Kumar.
Raider out. Super tackle. 2 points.
Yeah,
Palani Tuskers.
fair decision. Is my trip super tackle, but did he really go out there and hit it? I think it's not about hitting. It's about what was it all about? Oh, did he? He did it. He did it, Navneet.
Or die.
ये खेल ही कुछ इस प्रकार का है और यहाँ पे डू और डाई का मौका है. सावन खत्री के पास मौका है सफाया करने का.
Ankle hold now. Now, Gautam Murugan. And Raider is holding the ankles. And Abhi Kumar is trying to keep him away. And the ankle has been held very nicely. And that's another super tackle. He's my trip super tackle. How many of them have we
2
seen?
points.
And the biggest Tusker is Gautam Murugan coming out there. Of course, the point will go into Abhi Kumar. But the support, that is out of the world.
Red.
It is into orbit. Well. India one star moment of the match. And look at this. Saman Khatri had a clear escape. He was pushing Abhi Kumar away, but Gautam Murugan, boom. Data partners definitely be on their toes, opening the laptop and telling us. Bablu Singh is in. And Navneet, I've got a little story here until our data partner gives us a number for a story. Abhi Kumar! He's a good left corner defender. Can he be converted into a left corner? Than a right. Oh Lord.
Raider out. Wait.
Oh, hang on. That's a struggle. That's a normal struggle. Didn't see anything there as Sai Institute of Paramedical and Allied Sciences. Navneet. The thighs were held correctly. Nobody did anything. This was okay. It's a struggle where Bablu Singh, of course, on the leg was stuck below him. Oh, Sunny Sharawat! Oh, look at that! Look at that! What Shaktivel Thangavelu said to Gautam Murugan. He said, stay back, let's kill the clock. And And that's the all out. That's all it is. Mohit Surendra and Sunny Sharawat. They have given a birthday gift to Harish Kamache. It's a super 10. What a day he is having, the captain of the Tuskers. Fabulous. And the all out has been inflicted. Now the only problem is, can they hold on to that lead, the Tuskers? And Navneet, in the whole second half, you've got the story in front of you. India won. Star moment of the match, definitely, for the Super 10.
14 out, number 5.
Oh, well. 2.
2 points.
Harish Kamache is livid.
Number
He is
2
unhappy.
And 12 out.
Nothing happened there, Mohit Surendra. Nothing happened. Come on. We got multiple cameras here. Now, the reason I said football is because we see so much that fake injuries happen in football. Jaipal has crossed over. Magnanimous raid. And that's a couple of them.
Number 10 and 9 out.
And magnanimous because it's the situation of the match. India won. Star moment of the match here, Navneet. Sunny Sharawat, Ravi Tehlan. Both big pillars of defense. मैं तमिल और हिंदी दोनों को थोड़ा मिक्स करना चाहता हूं यहां पर. Finger victory. Gautam Murugan. Well. Now, is that not a... wait, hang on. Is that not a jersey pull? Is that not a jersey pull? Now, how do you allow this one? How do you allow this one? And he'll be tackled and sent out. That's it. Raider out. Go out, they say.
Wait.
Now, how is this even okay?
Raider.
As a Raider was pulling Gautam Murugan, how is that even okay? This is the biggest fuming match.
Raider out. Also one defender out.
They say each 1 point.
Raider.
That's a correct decision.
Raider.
Green card, jersey pulling.
Green card warning. Number 12, Chandigarh Chargers, jersey pulling.
Wonderful. Mohit Surendra, I know he's played really well today. But green card just to calm things down. Just to calm things down to Mohit Surendra. There, what's that? I'll tell you what, the fabric partner in this edition has been really nice. We haven't seen the t-shirts coming out torn apart into pieces. Navneet, and then the attack on the Raider was really good. The defense doesn't matter, and this is the Palani Tuskers' victory.
1 point.
It is 36-33, but still, without a coach, they're going ahead and winning for the very first time, the Tuskers. What a match! Take a few moments away and have a breather to the Chand.
गर्मियों का मौसम है और गर्माहट इस मैच में बिल्कुल